Optical storage systems. Optical storage system use the laser light as the optical medium to retrieve as well as record data. Compact disc, digital video disc, compact disc recordable, compact disc rewritable, digital video disc recordable, digital video disc rewritable. DVD discs have much higher storage capacity than CD disc. The optical storage systems are more reliable as compared to magnetic storage system because they are less prone to mechanical damage. Read-only optical storage devices are CD-ROM and DVD. Writable optical storage devices are CDR, CDRW, and DVD-R. Storage following are the significant properties of optical storage devices. Storage capacity. It is directly proportional to the spot size and geometric dimensions of disk. Data transfer rate. It depends on the linear density and rotational speed of the drive. Access time. It is directly proportional to weight of head and rotational speed of disk. Low data access speed as compared to magnetic disk. Read only optical device accessed randomly 700 MB and burn the data onto warm disk. A CD writer device is required. Magneto-optical systems. Magneto-optical system storage system include features of both magnetic and optical disk. Reads writes data by making use of laser and optical technologies. Ferromagnetic material enclosed in the plastic coating. Principle used in recording data. Magneto-optical system use Curie temperature for recording data. Curie temperature is the temperature at which material loses its magnetic properties, and above this temperature the material becomes paramagnetic. Should have low thermal conductivity that provides the facility to limit lateral heating. Coercivity of material should be high at room temperature. Melting point of material should be high enough to provide stability. Architecture of magneto optical disc. Various layers of materials protecting coating and laser beam. Combination and uses of anti-reflection layer, quadrilayer, and amorphous metal. Anti-reflection layer are used to increase the light absorption, decrease the reflection of light that provides the facility to decrease the requirement of laser. Solid state storage devices. Semiconductor flash. Solid state storage devices were developed in 1978 by Storage Tech Company. SSD can be defined as the device that contains all the properties of hard disk drives to store the data and use solid state memory, which has no moving parts. Devices use the semiconductor devices. Process the instruction electronically. Provides the facility of faster accessing of data as compared to any other storage devices. Storage capacity of SSD is lower than that of the hard disk. The flash memory cards and universal serial bus. SSD are flash SSD. Examples of SSD are flash memory cards and universal serial bus. Advantages of SSD: better performance, low power and heat, high reliability, small dimensions, small form factor. Better performance, accessing speed, searching and Spin-up function. SSDs provide random accessing of stored data and their accessing speed is faster as compared to the hard drives. Low power and heat. Decrease the power consumption due to low storage capacity. Decrease the heat reduction due to low storage capacity. Small dimensions. SSDs have low weight and small size. High reliability. Small form factor. Disadvantages of SSD: high price, low capacity, low writing speed. Writing speed of flash memory based SSD is slower. Low storage density, vulnerable. Storage evaluation criteria. It primarily includes access mode, access time, storage capacity, storage type, and cost. Access mode, random access mode, sequential access mode, and direct access mode. In the direct access mode, the data can be accessed by using both the random access mode and sequential access mode. CD player is an example of device using random access mode as well as direct access mode because data can be accessed from it randomly. Access time. Access time depends on the type of storage device used and the access mode of the data. Access time of primary memory is faster than that of secondary memory. Storage capacity, storage type, and cost. Byte. It is the smallest addressable unit of memory. Dynamic RAM. RAM needs to be continuously refreshed with power supply. It consisting storage cell consisting of a transistor and capacitor. Programmable ROM. Write operation of data can be performed only once. Erasable PROM. Data can be erased and destroyed using ultraviolet light. Electrically erasable PROM. It has ability to retain the data stored in it even if the power of computer system is switched off. Flash ROM. It is type of EEPROM that stores the information using floating gate transistors. Optical storage system uses the laser light as optical medium to retrieve as well as record data. Magneto-optical storage system include the features of both magnetic and optical storage system. Which of the following memories is used to store data permanently? Secondary memory. Which of the following memory is fastest type of memory? Cache memory. Which of the following is cheapest type of memory? Secondary memory. Which one of the following memory is not a type of primary memory? Cache, cache memory. Which of the following statement is not true about RAM? Not true. It is usually faster as compared to internal processor memory. So it is not true. Then what is true? It is volatile memory. It is type of primary memory of computer system. The data and information stored in the RAM is directly accessible by the computer. These three are true. Which of the following is the auxiliary memory of the computer system? Magnetic tape. Amount of space available in the computer system for holding the data is called storage capacity. 1. Which type of ROM data can be written only once? PROM. In which memory are the files and programs that are currently being used by a user stored? Files and programs are currently being used by a user stored in registers. Which of the following statement is not true about storage system? Not true. The data stored in this system can be directly accessed by the CPU. It is not true. Then what is the true? They are used to store data permanently. They can store any type of data. The data stored in these systems can be accessed at any time. Which one of the following is not a type of magnetic storage system? Compact disk is not a type of magnetic storage system, while magnetic tape, hard disk, floppy disk are the type of magnetic storage system. What does IBG stand for? Interblock gaps. Which of the following is a type of magnetic disk? Hard disk is a type of magnetic disk. We say na in the question number 11, magnetic tape, hard disk and floppy disk, these are the type of magnetic disk, while compact digital video disk and compact disk is not a type of magnetic storage. To means CD is not a compact disk and digital video disk is not a magnetic storage system, while जबकि मैग्नेटिक टेप, हार्ड डिस्क, फ्लॉपी डिस्क ये दोनों मैग्नेटिक डिस्क के टाइप हैं. व्हाट इज द मीडियम यूज्ड इन ऑप्टिकल स्टोरेज सिस्टम फॉर रीडिंग एंड रिकॉर्डिंग डाटा? लेजर लाइट ऑप्टिकल स्टोरेज system. Which one of the following is not a type of optical disc? Write only optical disc, read only optical disc, write once and read many optical disc. All of the above are optical disc, not a type of optical disc. And here all of the above are optical disc. Means read only optical disc, read, write only optical disc, write once and read many times many optical disc. Which of the following temperature is used in MO system as the recording medium? Curie temperature. Which of the following is a solid state memory? Universal serial bus, flash memory, universal serial bus, SS memory, solid state memory. The next chapter is input devices. So introduction, electromechanical devices that are used to provide data to a computer for storing the further processing. It acts as interface between computer and the user. We can provide the input to a computer in two ways, either manually through devices such as keyboard and mouse, or directly from documents using devices such as scanners, keyboard, pointing devices, scanning devices, optical recognition devices, digital camera, voice recognition devices, media input devices. Keyboard. Keyboard, QWERTY layout, alphanumeric keys, also known as QWERTY layout. QWERTY layout. Function keys. Function keys perform specific tasks such as searching a file or refreshing a web page. Central keys. Central keys are used for controlling the movement of cursor and screen display. Modifier keys such as Shift, Alt, CTRL control for modifying the input. Special purpose keys: escape, insert, delete, print screen, pause, tab, space bar. Standard keyboard would include about 100 keys. Pointing devices, graphical user interface. These are graphical user interface. Okay. Mouse, trackball, light pen, joystick, touch screen. Mouse is a small handheld pointing device that basically controls two-dimensional movement of the cursor. Graphical user interface based mechanical mouse. Inside the plastic coating of the mouse there is a ball. Optical mouse, reflected light determines the movement of cursor on the display screen, light emitting diodes, LED, and optical sensor and digital signal processor DSP. Trackball, small trackball, and large trackball. It can be placed on different surfaces such as disk, mousepad, and even user's hand. Use as game controller in games like Centipede, Golden Tee, Marble Madness. Light pen is an electro-optical pointing device. It is used generally connected to visual display unit VDU of computer system. Joystick consists of one or more buttons and a stick. Pointing it in all direction continues to point in particular direction until and unless it is brought back to the vertical position. Joystick facilitates three types of control: guide control, glide, direct, and digital. Glide and direct control allow the movement of joystick in all possible direction. Digital control helps in the movement of joystick in limited direction. Joysticks are capable of providing 3D movement as well. Touch screen pointing device that enable us to enter data such as text, pictures, images by direct touching the screen. Cell phones, ATMs, PDA, and games. Surface wave technology, use of ultrasonic waves affected by elements such as dust and water. Capacity Capacitive technology. Indium tin oxide material do not get damaged by elements such as dust and liquid. Resistive technology. Touch screen panel generally consist of different layers coated with very thin electrically conductive metal and separated by some space. Do not get damaged by elements like dust or water. So, surface wave technology, capacitive technology, resistive technology. Scanning devices. Basic task of scanning devices is to convert an image or textual data into digital data in the form of boxes, where each box represents either 0 or 1. The resultant matrix is known as bitmap. Bitmap. Resolution. Closeness of pixels in the bitmap. 72 to 600 dots per inch. Bit depth represents the number of bits used to represent each pixel of an image or text. Size. Scanning technology. Charged coupled device coupled device CCD array. Photo multiplier tubes technology PMT. CCD consists of series of light receptors which are sensitive to the variation in the light frequency. PMT consists of a photocathode, which is a photosensitive surface used for generating the electrons. On the basis of these characteristics, the scanning devices can be categorized as follows: handheld scanners, flat bed scanners, drum scanners, slide scanners, handheld scanners, digitizing the images into bitmap, which is a matrix of 0 and 1s, also known as half page scanner. Scan maximum up to 5 inches at a time. Barcode label of the products. Contact scanning device and non-contact scanning device. Flatbed scanner. Xenon light and CCD. Red, green and blue filters. Left to right horizontally. Dot per inch 550. DPI. And what was the CCD? Full form. CCD, charge coupled device. Drum scanner, photo multiplier tube PMT. Disadvantage of these scanners that they are slow in speed. Slide scanners. Scanning slides as well as film negatives, also known as film scanners. Scanners consist of a stepper motor and CCD sensor. Efficiently scan negatives and black and white films. Optical recognition devices, OCR devices, OMR devices, MICR devices, barcode reader, OCR, OMR, MICR, barcoder, MI memory की mobile. OCR devices scan a particular document by recognizing its individual characters and converting it into the editable form. Images scanned by OCR devices can be easily edited and formatted on a computer system. Image scanner capture the text image. OCR software and hardware. OCR software and hardware processes the text images captured by image scanner. Output interface. Optical scanner typically scans the text and converts it into machine readable form using the OCR software. Make use of photoelectric cells for recording the patterns of the light reflected by printed text. Telebanking and in the processing of credit cards. OMR devices. They analyze the darkened area only. MICR devices. Magnetic ink character recognition. Magnetic ink character recognition. OMR optical mark recognition. Optical mark recognition. OCR optical character recognition. Optical character recognition. Optical mark recognition. Magnetic ink character recognition, recognizing the characters written with magnetic ink consisting of iron oxide particles. Barcode reader. Barcode reader is scanner. Supermarkets, retail stores, books, numbering in library. Scanner, decoder and cable. Consist of scanner, decoder and cable. Scanner is used for scanning the barcode, which is later converted into numbers or letters using decoder. Digital camera, handheld electronic device. Light gets stored on a microchip consisting of an array of light sensitive sensor. The light sensitive sensor are charged couple devices consist of a number of light sensitive diodes known as photosites. It is capable of showing the just recorded video clip on the camera screen. Video cameras capture an image by converting it into horizontal lines and then scanning each line from top to bottom. Professional video cameras and camcorders. Camcorders are not only used for capturing images but also help in recording audio. Liquid crystal display. Compact digital cameras. Photographic expert group. JPEG format. Digital single lens reflex cameras. Joint photographic expert group JPEG फॉर्मेट कॉम्पैक्ट डिजिटल कैमराज होते हैं एंड डिजिटल सिंगल लेंस रिफ्लेक्स कैमराज मिरर एंड पेंटाप्रिज्म दैट आर यूज्ड फॉर कैप्चरिंग द इमेज डिजिटली. Line scan cameras capture the images very quickly and their image resolution is also very high. Quality of pictures captured by a digital camera depends on the resolution factor. More the resolution of digital camera, the better is the image quality. Voice recognition system record the voice of a person and transform it into electrical signals. Template matching, speaker dependent, availability of limited vocabulary and consists of only the words. Feature analysis, speaker independent. It fails to match the accents, volume, pitch and inflection of different users. Dictation training, air traffic and controllers. Data acquisition sensors. Sensors are devices that are used for detecting and measuring the physical quantities and such as heat and temperature and converting them into electrical signals. Media input devices. Media for communicating with the mass audiences are microphone. Microphone also called transducers, capacitance change, electromagnetic generation, magnetic change and resistance change, webcam, frame rate and resolution, frequency of images captured per second by a webcam, number of pixels appearing on the computer screen. For a video to be smooth and clear, the frame rate and resolution should be maximum. Graphics tablet enter pictorial information into the computer system. Touch screen enables the user to enter data such as text, pictures, images by directly touching the screen. Handheld scanner used for digitizing the images into bitmap. Video cameras are digitally cameras that capture an image by converting it into horizontal line and then scanning each line from top to bottom. Digital single lens reflex cameras, mirror and pentaprism. Light scan cameras, array of image sensor and used to capture an image in the form of lines. Data acquisition sensor, devices used for detecting and measuring the different physical quantities and converting them into electrical signals. Microphone, sound waves into electrical signals with the help of sensors. Graphics tablet helps a user to enter pictorial information into the computer. Input devices generally act as interface user and computer. QWERTY layout generally used traditional keyboard. Arrow key used for controlling movement of cursor and known as arrow key. Keyboard are also classified as multimedia and gaming keyboards. Pointing devices used for changing position of cursor and screen. Mechanical mouse basically consists of ball, left and right buttons. The optical mouse consists of left, right and scroll for moving position of pointing. In case of trackball, ball is used for affecting movement. Stylus device consists of light sensitive diode. The grid, direct and digital are the different type of control provided by joystick. Touch screen devices used for input data into a computer system. Scanner devices are used for converting the images into machine readable form. Handheld scanner are also called hand page scanner. Flatbed scanner use red, green and blue filters. Drum scanner make use of PMT technology for scanning particular document. Slide scanner, also known as film scanners. OCR devices make use of photo club for recognition the characteristic on the document. OMR devices are used for recognition the characters written only in market field. MICR devices basically recognizes the numerals written with the magnetic ink. Barcode is computer readable code represent vertical lines of different widths. Digital camera is handheld device that used for capturing images and videos. Method used for recognition of voice of the users is template and Richard. Graphics tablet is combination of digital pen and electronic tab. What is the main function of an input device in a computer? Providing data to a computer. Which of the following devices is not an input device? Disk. While scanner, keyboard, joystick is input. Which of the following is modifier key? ALT. Alt is modifier key. Which of the following belongs to the category of special purpose keys? Tab. Insert, pause, tab. Which of the following device is not a pointing device? Scanner. While trackball, mouse, joystick, pointing device. Following statement is not true for a mouse. It can be used as alternate to keyboard for all purpose. No, it is not for all. Then what is the true for mouse? It controls the two-dimensional movement of cursor and on the display screen. It usually of two different types: mechanical mouse, optical mouse. It is an input device. Pointing device exhibit which pointing device exhibit the point, click and drag function? Mouse. Which of the following technology is not part of optical mouse? CCD. While LED, DSP and optical sensor is part of optical mouse. Which of the following indicates the location on the computer screen? Scroll bar indicates the location on computer screen. Which of the following devices is used for pointing in all direction? Joystick. Which of the following technology is not a touch screen technology? Inductive technology, not a touch screen technology. While surface wave technology, resistive technology and capacitive technology is touch screen technology. What is the other name of handheld scanner? Half page scanner. Which scanning devices consist of stepper motor and CCD sensor? Slide scanner. Which of the following device is not an optical recognition device? ORD. Microphone. While MICR, OMR, OCR are optical recognition devices. Which of the following devices make use of photoelectric cells for character recognition? Handheld scanner. What does MICR stand for? Magnetic ink character recognition. Which device is used for scanning the question sheet having multiple choices? OMR device. Which of the following devices are used for recognizing characters in the supermarket? Characters in the supermarket's barcode reader. Which device is used for reading characters written on the checks? MICR device. Which of the following devices help in viewing a video clip just after it has been recorded? Digital camera. Which of the following devices is not a media input device? Digital camera is not a media input device.